Take a stab at it. Let's see what happens. Want to add up closer to 50 for sure. Does it go right through 50?
Oh, Jesus. What are you watching, Thomas?
Nothing too exciting. Yeah, you know, KR up. Was watching AMD, PDD.
Yeah. Watching Doc U, believe it or not. I think if we get a break down here, she has lower to go.
I was thinking the same when it started consolidating sideways there on that last little drop, but I thought that was going to be the drop.
Nah, she's waiting for that 21 to catch up. She might even wait for the 50 to get down here. It might be like later, you know? When they get too extended like that, especially when you see that huge ass AMD has the same look to the upside, you know, it's just too extended. The 21 and the 50 are really separated. Probably gonna chill for a minute. But I'm keeping an eye.
Guess we could have got the fill on the other side of 50. It's okay. This 885 area is definitely an area of interest.
AMD's been weird. Like it's writing the VWAP. Like I don't even know how that's happening. I'm very confused by that. Something fucked up in my charts.
Don't know. Don't have it up.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Let's see. Yeah, I'm calculating like.
Definitely want it up in the 870s at least for an ad, that's for sure. But we'll see what it does. So we can just come down and get the retest at 8.
VWAP is right where it's at.
Yeah, just kind of chilling here. I mean, it crossed through once, but bounce off of it back here. VWAP's right above the 21, basically.
Daily on this one kind of sucks, that's for sure.
Right above it.
Yeah.
So just crossed through VWAP, bouncing off the 21. EVNA going all the way back up here. That's weird. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick and get some coffee.
GCT up. Said don't like it?
I agree with David on this one. Not a huge fan of it at the moment. Feels a little propped. I noticed that it had 84% institutional shares. is usually never a good thing.
Cut half.
Probably not a bad idea. GCT only have 100,000 shares available. See if we can get under 40 this
Something
time.
just alerted. I don't know
Got
what
held
it
up there
is.
last time.
Oh, let's just dock you. Let me look at it.
I think at this point we could probably get away with cutting over the highs.
So is the only trade you took today so far, Thomas, that dock you?
Yeah, I took it twice. I'm still red.
I don't think I want to see it back up there, but not too convinced with
I'm guessing
the volume on this candle
red
that
since.
we might not try to go back up there.
Yeah, it's.
Oh, there we go. Nice little drop.
I'm risking 100. I made 40 back, so
Okay.
it's not bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's one good trade, and
Yeah.
it's made up, and yeah.
$6 on way.
And I
Kinda
came
wanna
in
take some
today
off
with
and
the
just
mentality of if any of this shit does
take half there.
anything resolving what I want it to do on the
See if we
bell,
can't
I've
at
got
least get a little bit more closer to this 810. I mean, that's what I was looking at. That was yesterday's high.
I was kind of thinking it wasn't going to because it was dropping, which I didn't like, but then it started popping, and I'm like, oh, thank you.
I want this to go back up to our average,
Yeah,
but
that spread wouldn't have
also
got
don't
me.
want it
Yeah,
to,
it would have been a really good trade.
Like I said, I got it on the way down, so I mean, I was just risking off the top of that, it was where the
Yeah, see,
my
that's
daily
this one
pivot
can be a
is.
little jumpy. It
It
feels
was
like the volume's kind of crap. There's been a spread this
53.35.
entire time.
So I was like, if it gets back up there into the mid 30s,
16.
I'm
It
out.
needs to
but
get through
never
16,
did.
and we should get
So,
filled.
Yeah, I tried hitting
Nope.
it when it crossed when it hit the 50,
We're on
and then
we're
that's when it just
under the bid
spread
here,
must have been
but there's no
severely
fill yet.
nasty.
Yeah,
down one.
dude, it was definitely spready because
Back
like
up.
Same. Shouldn't have
I
cut some
was
LOL.
like, I was green on the bid, but red on the ask, and I'm just like, what the
It's
fuck?
frustrating. We didn't
Like,
get filled. It never went
this is
under
all over the place.
815.
So at that point, I just said hold strong and just don't even look at that. And look at the look at the candle. The candle gets up
The
there.
bid
I'm
did,
gonna get
but
out.
it never. There was no prints.
I couldn't even put in a stop though because it was being so jumpy. So I was just gonna click it, but NVDA is about to cross over, but I'm not.
I feel like if the
the
ask goes up at
hugest
all, we'll
fan
probably just
of
take this
that.
half
Could have
or
gone the other way
25%
easy.
off.
Maybe you are. I don't know. That's expensive.
Ooh, Chihuahua. Yeah, I ain't used to that.
We did
range yet.
again. We're at 812
I'm not
currently.
used to seeing those numbers. Yeah, I wasn't even paying attention to the price. I pulled it up because of Charlie, and I'm like, oh, it's about to cross.
Oh, dang it. It
And I
spiked
was
up
like,
more
oh,
than
that's
I wanted there.
$460. That been no tradie this. All right,
That's
I'll be patient
frustrating.
on this. Yeah, and I drew my fibs on this docu too. I should have probably posted that in earlier, which my fib was up there.
Well,
at
obviously not gonna let this go back up to our
53.16.
average, but
It's like everything
kinda
was kind of
frustrating we
right
didn't get
there
that
between
fill down there.
53.16 and 50.
Went threw us on the bid
ARTL.
twice with no fill.
That's kind of why I had a lot of confidence in that one.
We're under view app. Hopefully it just kind of spiked up there, back down. Nice.
I didn't like it down at 52.50 because it was so
Maybe
far
we get
away
our
from
fill
that
this
shit,
time, actually.
ARTL.
Even though
What
it's
that
not where
pop
I
was
want
like.
it.
Oh, All right. We're giving me a chance.
14.5 was as low as it got.
Doc, you, the 21's caught up.
Easy geothick, daily off the bottom, seems like a pass for now.
Alright, got that.
ARTL.
Buy is
Let's
going
see if we can't
higher.
get down here towards 8 for the other bit. Yeah.
ARTL.
Spread's pretty annoying on this one. But it's part of the game when you play the lower volume ones. It just kind of comes with the territory for the most part. I'm gonna stop out if I see like 35, 36. Kind of hoping we can get the push back down towards 810
AMD doing
and at least
anything
try
for
it.
ya?
But
I know it
it's
has
looking like
nothing
it's trying to
crossed,
bounce
but
off of that.
I don't know about your other
I
stuff.
Gets
just
back through
pulled it
view
up,
app. It probably
pulled it
tries
back
to
up.
spike a little bit.
So
So not looking to
when I looked at the
stay in
smaller
this if
chart,
I
I
don't
was
have
like,
to.
ooh, bring that down here.
Where would you be looking at it? Under 61.8 maybe, or?
I'm trying to
LTRX
figure it
fish.
out now.
Okay, just curious.
Just a small trade. I didn't love this trade getting in it. Would have been better had I waited. Just gonna take it off there. I don't like it. Yeah, if it felt like it was about to do just that.
All out set,